What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you are new, welcome. My name is Christina. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful haunted house box. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. Here are the things you are going to need. Your silicone heart mold, 6 strawberries, make sure they're super clean and dry, toothpicks, black fondant and also white fondant, white chocolate and black chocolate for your decor, some cutters. I will be putting the link down below to everything we have here, and some candy coloring in the color Concrete by Color Mill. We won't be using the hand mold. I changed my mind, so only the bat mold and the alphabet and the wood texture and your fondant rolling pin or roller pin. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and melt our chocolate. We're gonna work with the heart first. Also make sure to stir your chocolate around or else it will burn. Okay, so now that our chocolate is fully melted, we're gonna go ahead and dye it or color it with the color Concrete by Color Mill. By the way, I love Color Mill. Color Mill is like one of my favorite candy colorings and I freaking love it. So yeah, just add a couple drops until the desired color that you want. So once your chocolate is fully colored, go ahead and add the chocolate into the heart mold to make sure you cover all the edges and creases. After you're done with this step, go ahead and pop it in the fridge for a couple minutes until the chocolate fully hardens. Moving on to the strawberry decor, I believe I bought all of these molds off from Amazon or Lavender's Bake Shop. I will be putting the links down below in the description box. Moving on to this beautiful ghost. So at first I wanted to do like a black ghost, but I noticed that I had a lot of grays and black going on, so I was like, you know what, I need like some hints of white in here to, you know, like see a little contrast. So that's why I didn't mention the white fondant at first, but you know what, we're going with white because, you know, I feel like it's gonna look better. Have you guys heard or seen the series Squid? OMG. So basically Squid is a very trendy series right now on Netflix. Everybody's talking about it, even creating TikToks, reels. It's super cool. So I have not finished the whole series, but I did started watching a couple episodes and it's super awesome. Like, it's like a thriller. And so basically it's like this contest where like people play games, and if you lose, well, you die. Like, literally they will like kill you, shoot you, and if you win, you will win a lot of freaking money. So most of these people, or I believe all of them, they owe money, so that's why they joined this game. But at first they didn't know that it was like a real life game, that you will literally die if you lose, you know. So it's super cool. Meanwhile, your heart is in the fridge. You can always start working on your strawberry decor so you won't waste any time. So I just noticed that we are halfway down October. I'm wondering what type of activities have you guys done? During this past weekend, I took my kids and my niece to the pumpkin patch. We had so much fun. They had so much fun. They were just like looking at all the pumpkins, carrying pumpkins, and then we took a bunch of cute pictures, but it was so cool. If you guys have kids, I highly recommend to take them to a pumpkin patch. They will have fun. Alright, so once you're done adding the second layer of chocolate to your heart, you can go ahead and pop it in the fridge again for a couple minutes until the chocolate hardens. And then when it's time to demold our heart, try to do it very carefully, because if you break something, you have to start all over again, and you don't want that. Also, I would like to mention that I started shipping my homemade caramel apples. So if you guys are interested, you guys can check out my website at springsugarpop.com. I also will be putting the link down below in the description box. We do have over 25 flavors to choose from, so it's going to be hard. If you like chocolate, I highly recommend the fudge crumble. It's my favorite right now at the moment. And then if you like white chocolate, I recommend Fruity Pebbles or Strawberry Crumble. But yeah, go ahead and check them out, and please let me know if you guys have any questions. Also, we're only shipping here in the US, so yeah. So what inspired me to do this Halloween haunted house theme box was my gingerbread house that I did last year during Christmas. It's super cute. I'll be adding a picture here so you guys can know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I was like super hyped. I was like, oh my god, like when I was going through my pictures, I was like, what? I can actually do a haunted house theme, and I am so happy that I did it. It came out so cute. By the way, the fondant that I love to use is by Wilton. You can find it at any local craft store, or you can actually purchase it online too as well. Just Google fondant by Wilton, and then it'll let you know which stores carries it. But yeah, I highly recommend this fondant. It's super easy to work with, and it's just perfect. Don't forget to add a little bit of chocolate behind or under your fondant decor so it can stay in place. I didn't do it here just because this set was just for the video, not for a client. Also, you can use edible glue if you don't want to use chocolate. Are you guys dressing up this year? So I had a party, let's say, I think 2 weeks ago or 3. I don't know. We had a party and I dressed up as Jason. And now we are having another party on the 30th. But I don't know what to dress up as for this party. If you guys have any ideas, any suggestions, please let me know. And also comment down below, what are you dressing up as? Also, before I forget, I want to ask for your guys' help. Please let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see, because sometimes I be stuck. I don't know what to film, so I need your guys' opinion, video suggestions, so please let me know in the comments section. Alright, so moving on to the spider web, go ahead and melt your marshmallows for 30 to 40 seconds. Alright, so once your marshmallows are halfway melted, go ahead and grab them with your fingers and try to create that spider web effect first before applying it to your heart. We are almost done, you guys. So for the whole month of October, I will be adding Halloween candies under the Breakable heart. I normally add the Ferrero Rocher chocolates. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, I normally add those type of chocolates, but since we are in the Halloween season, I decided to go with the Halloween themed chocolates. Alright, so moving on to the strawberries, make sure to grab all the leaves so you can try to cover as much as possible. Also, you don't want your chocolate to be super runny. So while I was creating this box, I was listening to the new album of Doja Cat, and so far I like a couple songs. So before using this edible paint, make sure to shake it well, because if you don't shake it well, you will not have a pitch black. You will have like a dark green, and you obviously want that pitch black color, so please shake it well. We are finally done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on any future videos, and also comment down below what type of videos you guys want to see for the future. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, don't forget to go check out my homemade caramel apples. They're super good. I'm telling you guys will not just buy one. You will come back and buy more. They're super addicting. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for being here, and God bless.